Preparé un paiche del oriente. Este es un pescado exótico, muy rico en cualidades alimenticias y es un pescado muy versátil porque se puede preparar diferentes tipos de platos. Se puede hacer grill, se puede hacer caldo, se lo puede hacer frito, es decir, su carne, su textura permite que se lo pueda preparar de diferentes maneras.
The name of the fish that he used is paiche. It's a fish of the river of Amazon, and the meat is versatile to use because you can use prepare only one stick or cook with another vegetables. That the flavor is good. It tastes delicious. And we use this because he want to result the culture of Amazon.
Ya que la trucha es un pescado de piscina muy delicado y su piel al envolverla nos hace un tipo de crocante. También lo que es la lenteja, que es traída de Bélgica, al igual que la quinoa, que hicimos fue rostizarla. También está basado en lo que es la región de la costa, que es el coco, y un poco de la sierra, que son los granos, como la quinoa y la lenteja.
She used trucha, that is a fish that you find on the highlands of Cuenca specific, and use this fish because the light texture of the skin contributes to the crunchiness of the plate and contribute the combination with coconut. She tried to use or combine the two cultures, the coast of Ecuador and the highlands of Ecuador.
There's something about tilapia. It has a pretty rose skin that you can make mistakes, but also you have to be chill with cutting meat. It has a pretty texture in your mouth. It's like cream. There's no spice and dry. What did I want with this plate? No feeling dry, no dry flavors in your mouth. And the species, for real, salt and pepper. There's nothing more natural than salt and pepper with fishes and all the preparations. Then I choose this sauce, sweet sauce of passion fruit and golden berries. I think that has a lot of sweet flavor and salty flavors and one concentrated flavor. For me, it's unique. It's something like, wow, I like it. You can do whatever you want with the tilapia. You can travel around the world of flavors with tilapia. And this fish from a mix from 4 or 5 species of the same fish, and they came from Africa and they moved out to all this Ecuador zone, tropical zones. You can find it in Venezuela, Ecuador, Colombia. That zones that a weather for this fish, and it's a pretty cool fish after all.